credit card for you is the credit card that can actually best handle your needs. Like, I don't want a credit card right now that's best for travel because I'm not doing a lot of travel. I just had a baby, so I'm not doing too much travel. Now, what I would like is to have unlimited cash back. So the best credit card for me is a credit card that's going to give me unlimited cash back. If you like to travel, get the best credit cards for traveling. If you like to dine, get the best credit cards for dining. There's credit cards out there that can give you 3% back on dining, 5% back on dining. So definitely check out those credit cards, but see what's the best credit cards for you based off of your needs. Now, some people may have a bad credit score. Let me put that out there. Some people may have a bad credit score. So the best credit card for you is actually a secure credit card. Sometimes people just try to just get a credit card and they're not thinking about how much they have to pay annually on a credit card. They just getting credit cards. And I always tell people, don't do that. You guys have options out there. Like, you guys can definitely go with a company like Discover, because this credit card right here, let me actually show you, with Discover, oh, there you go. I'm like, why is it not popping up? Okay, there we go. A credit card like Discover, you guys, with their secure credit card, you guys are going to earn cash back, 2% cash back, and it's going to graduate. So if you guys have bad credit, you can start with a company like these. And again, the best credit card for you is also a credit card that can pre-qualify you. So try to see if the credit card can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So I would click right here to see if you could be pre-approved for a credit card. And it's no harm to your credit because you're not going to get a hard inquiry. It's going to be a soft inquiry. So let them tell you what's the best credit card for you, because the credit cards is going to approve you is the best ones for you. I remember when I was in the process of getting credit cards and I'm like, oh, I want this credit card, I want that credit card. And I'm like, you're not even that type of person to get that credit card. Like, that's like me saying, I want a black card. I am not there, y'all. Come on now. Like, I am not there. I do not run that much to a credit card. Like, so maybe one day I would, be at that place, but that card is not for you. So yeah, keep stuff like that in mind when you think about your credit card. Get the best one that can actually approve you and that can actually